basic terms of AI like agent, environment, sensor, actuators, etc. So environment बाद में पहले हम देखेंगे what are agents. So agents can perceive information through its environment with the help of sensors, and it can act on that environment with the help of effectors or actuators. So whatever will be the input information, agent will receive it with the help of sensors, and generated output will be given back to the environment with the help of effectors. Now what does this term rationality of agents mean? So इसका मतलब है कि how agents will provide reasons on available information, or how they are capable of deriving a logic, or how among many available paths they can select an optimal one, or in the way they can generate accurate predictions. So this rationality of agents involves proper decision making also. Now this rationality of agents depend on 4 factors: performance measure that define some criteria, then prior knowledge of agent, that means कि agent के पास पहले से कौन कौन सी information available है, then actions of agent, and finally the percept sequence of agent. Now this rationality of agents is characterized by P's. P's का मतलब है performance measure, environment, actuators and sensor. So किसी भी agent की characteristics डिफाइन होती है बेस्ड ऑन दिस 4 फैक्टर्स. नाउ एजेंट इज कंप्राइज्ड ऑफ एजेंट प्रोग्राम एंड आर्किटेक्चर. सो एजेंट प्रोग्राम इज द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ एजेंट फंक्शन, एंड आर्किटेक्चर इज नथिंग बट इट इज़ द मशीन ऑन विच करंटली एजेंट इज एग्जीक्यूटिंग. नाउ आइडियली एजेंट्स के 4 टाइप्स होते हैं, एंड दे आर सिंपल रिफ्लेक्स, मॉडल बेस्ड, गोल बेस्ड एंड यूटिलिटी बेस्ड. नाउ व्हाट आर simple reflex agents? So सबसे पहले what do you mean by the term reflex? So reflex is a sudden movement or action without thinking. Similarly, this simple reflex agent will spontaneously react to any environment based on only current state. So it will not bother about the history, or it is not focused on previous state also. It doesn't keep any record of previous state. Now this agent work in a fully observable environment, because as this agent के पास कोई भी previous state नहीं है, कोई history नहीं है, तो how can it deduce something, how can it reason something? So whatever information available है from current state, it will only work on it. अगर कोई environment partially observable है और some information missing है, तो it will not be able to deduce it because it has no history. These agents are based on condition action rule. So this rule says that if condition is true, then action will be taken, otherwise not. Besides, every condition is associated with a particular action. For example, अगर condition 1 select हुई, then it will lead to action 1, and if condition 2 select हुई, then it will lead to action 2, and so on. This is the architecture for simple reflex agent. So here it is concerned with 2 questions. First is how is the world like now, that means the current state, and the second question is what actions do I need, and those actions are selected with the help of this condition action rule. इस agent का एक simple example देखें तो we can take ATM machine. So when you will enter pin in ATM machine, it will check that entered pin, and if it is true, then it will give cash, otherwise not. Now second is model based. So this type of agent के पास एक internal state होता है जिसमें सारे previous state already stored होते हैं, और we can say it has maintained all the history. So as this history is available, this agent can also handle partially observable environment. Why? Because अगर कोई information missing होगी तो it will easily deduce it using history. And apart from this, model based agents continuously update their internal state based on logic and reasoning. Here is the architecture. So here agent is concerned with the questions like how world evolves, that is the previous state of the environment, and what are the effect of my actions on the world. As an example of this agent, we can take a self-driving car. Third is goal based. So here actions are selected in order to achieve goals. सो जब तक एजेंट को ये फील होगा कि करंट स्टेट और एक्शन आर लीडिंग अस टूवर्ड्स गोल, it will continue, no problem. But at the point when agent will realize that they are not moving towards the goal, it will immediately change its actions. Now this goal based agent के पास एक internal state तो होता ही है, internal state description तो होता ही है, but along with it has the information of goal state also. So if condition occurred like goals are very awkward and crafty, then it can do proper planning and searching also. Here is the architecture. As we discussed above, actions are selected based on goals. So इस agent का एक example है कि system trying to solve 8 queen problem. Now the fourth and last one is utility based. As we have seen in previous one, goal based में क्या था कि agent boolean values देता था, like either goal is reached or not. But here in utility based, हर एक state, हर एक action की एक probability होती है that will lead to goal. So हर एक state का एक utility function होता है that describes probability of success to goal via that path. So utility function describes associated degree of best performance of each state, and it can also give likelihood of success. This is the architecture. So here एक और question add होगा कि how happy I am after doing action A. That is after doing action A मेरी probability क्या है goal तक जाने की, और what is likelihood of my success. So इसके example में हम ले सकते हैं कि traveling anywhere with the help of Google Maps. Thank you.